This indeed is an honor
Guys,
that I
I got a
embrace
candy blossom.
with full awareness
Look,
of the
it's my not
responsibility
size,
it
but
entails,
as is my size.
not only to this esteemed
Yes,
institution,
oh my
but
god.
most importantly, the Filipino people
Yep,
we
it
have
really
all
is.
sworn to serve.
It's pretty lucky.
Ang tiwala ay hindi gantimpala,
Can like that
kundi
my screen.
panibagong hamon. At bawat hamon ay pagkakataon para mas maglingkod ng mas tapat,
Candy blossom like this.
mas buo.
Oh, he
As we
stole it.
open the 20th Congress,
He stole
we
it.
build upon the foundations
Stole it.
laid upon in the
Stole
19th,
it. A candy blossom. Let's
advancing reforms that bring the government closer to the people
see.
and restoring trust in this chamber as a true house of the people.
What the
Convened
hell?
at a time that demands
What
unity of purpose,
is
clarity of vision, and courage of conviction. We are not here to preserve power, but to pursue progress. Not to serve ourselves, but to uplift the lives of our fellow
what
citizens.
police? What police? Like this?
Today, as we formally
So called
begin
the
into this new chapter, we
I-
do so
I-
amid a
I-
development that once again calls us to
Well,
reflect on our sacred constitutional duty. The Supreme Court's decision on the impeachment case filed against the Vice President. And let me say this with the utmost respect. The Supreme Court has spoken and we recognize its decision. But let it never be said that the House of the People bowed in silence. At the time, we draw a line. The power to initiate impeachment
Nanigaski,
is the exclusive domain of this chamber.
kunyari ako ng plano.
It flows
Kunyari
from the
ako ng
people's
plano.
will
Kunyari ako ng plano.
and rests solely
Guys, I
on the clear
steal my
language of the
friend
Constitution.
fruit. Look at this, a
It is
giant.
neither granted nor guided
Oh, okay.
by any outside
Wow.
institution.
Ooh la
The court may
la.
close a case,
Woohoo.
but it cannot close a cause. The pursuit of accountability is not a moment. It
Hey,
is our mandate.
it is. Hey, I don't need a lot.
We are not moved by
Please.
personalities,
I'm
but by
recording.
principles.
Oh my god,
We are
I
not
don't
driven by
know.
vendetta, but instead by
Oh my god, this is so
Our goal has
impossible.
never been to destroy,
This
only
is
to demand the truth.
impossible.
When
Impossible,
institutions
right?
falter, the House
Has
of
to
the People
stop. Has to
always
stop.
stands
Has to
firm.
stop.
When others fear the storm,
Eyo.
Your house holds the line.
Hey, we are the same. I'm loggy. Why should I
as the
loggy?
Speaker, I will be here
Loggy so
not
much,
just to
bro.
preside,
So much,
but to
bro.
protect.
So much, bro. Give me, please. No.
hindi ko kayo
Sugar
iiwan sa
apple.
gitna ng
Parang
ulos.
na, ano ba
Gaya.
yung sugar apple? Wait a minute.
Gaya ng ama ng tahanan na hindi natutulog kapag may bagyong papasok. Babantayin natin ang ating kapulungan. Sisiguraduhin kung walang hubog ang babagsak, walang pader, makikiba, at walang miyembro ang mapapabayaan.
You?
Kahit anong bagyo at baha, hindi tayo susuko. Titindig tayo at hindi panghinaan ng loob.
Answer.
Kasama ninyo ako sa pagsulubong
Pretty part,
ng bagong araw.
Sila ko.
Our work as legislators, both constitutional and moral. Through the laws we pass and the accountability we uphold,
Answer.
that we protect rights, promote
Wait.
unity, and shape the future of our democracy.
Wait, how much?
Bawat batas na ating pinapasa ay salamin ng pangarap ng bawat Pilipino.
A second.
Mula sa estudyante
Wait a
ng mangarap, sa manggagawang lumalaban, hanggang sa pamilya ang tuloy na umaasa.
Oh,
For your continued support and your commitment and
Okay, I'm super lugi.
to those
I don't need a lugi, Jandel.
who have covered the news, I thank you as well.
Oh,
Your voices enrich our debates by our debate. May respeto. Ito ay pinagmumulan ng talino, tapang,
What?
at napakabago.
A raccoon?
I reaffirm our common commitment
No
to transparent
way.
conduct, firm in principle, and responsive to the needs of our people. We shall lead with confidence, legislate with compassion, govern with integrity.
Raccoon? Raccoon? Raccoon?
I thank His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for his continued trust in the leadership of this chamber. The House of Representatives stands ready to be your reliable partner in building a powerful Pilipinas.
Mega raccoon.
A nation that is inclusive, resilient, and grounded in justice and opportunity. And to our beloved Filipino people, you are not just our mandate, you are our mission.
Raccoons. Okay, pretty,
This house is your voice, and we are ready to speak up,
I'm shocked.
stand up, and act in your reign and for your future.
Okay, good for you.
Ang kapuluan ng ito ay boses ng tambayan.
Hey,
At kung
yo.
boses ng tambayan ang ating dala, tungkulin natin ito ay gamitin para sa kanilang karapatan, kabuhayan, at kinabukasan.
Jesus Christ. 30 minutes
Let this
now.
Congress remember not only for the
Or
laws we pass,
20.
but for the lives we change. Not only
20
for the
lang.
facts we fought,
20.
but for the truth we
We
speak.
have a really
The judgment that matters most is not that of any single court, but of history. And
Robux?
people's
Okay, Robux. Okay.
mabuhay
Diyos!
mga kinatawan, mabuhay ang sabay ng Pilipino. Madamo mga salamat. Bye matanan.
Hallelujah. Pretty little baby. Hallelujah. Please, you have a what? Whoa, wait. That is the biggest raccoon ever. Chicken Jockey is so handsome. Wait, chicken chicken.
The acting floor leader is recognized. Mr. Speaker, I move to adopt the 19th Congress rules of the House of Representatives, the provisional rules to govern its proceedings until the adoption of the rules of the House of Representatives for the 20th.
Yay, we
There is a
have
motion to adopt the rules of the House of Congress as provisional rules until the adoption of the rules of the House of the 20th Congress. There being no objection, the motion is approved. Acting Floor Leader. Mr. Speaker, I move to adopt the 19th Congress Rules of
Let's
Procedure
go.
governing inquiries in aid of legislation as the provisional rules until the adoption of the rules of procedure
I'm
governing
pretty
inquiries in
laggy.
aid of legislation
I
for the
hate
20th
lagging.
Congress.
Like
There
it's
is a
just
motion
that
to
you
adopt the
hate
19th
lagging.
Congress Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation as a provisional rules until the
Natural
adoption of the
access.
rules of procedure governing inquiries
Nasa
in aid of
mga ano.
legislation for the 20th Congress. There being no objection, the motion is approved. Acting Floor Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to adopt the 19th Congress Rules of Procedure and Impeachment Proceedings as the provisional rules for the 20th Congress until the adoption of the
So
rules
guys,
of procedure
bye-bye
in
for
impeachment
now.
proceedings for the 20th Congress.
Bye.